Hey guys, welcome back to another Baby One and Dad video! Today, Baby One and Dad are playing hide and seek on an airplane. Welcome to Fairly Sun Airlines. Today, Donald Trump is playing.
Hey guys, I'm Donald Trump, remember me? See my long arms?
I remember when the house is on fire.
Oh yeah. Giant Emmy's being loud.
More Roblox. And Baby 12's playing.
Hey guys, remember me? See my curly hair? Do-do-do.
And of course, Baby One.
Hey guys, did you watch my Minecraft video part 2? It's so good. You should watch it. I become a pro.
And the new baby, Baby 14.
Hey guys, I'm Baby 14. Dad, show them what I can do.
It's Happy Easter, Tom.
Yep. And Dad's playing. Oh, Giant Emmy. What? Okay. And a special guest from the new Super Mario movie, Donkey Kong!
Hey guys, I'm Donkey Kong.
Yeah, you should go watch the new Super Mario movie! It's amazing! And I'm it. You guys have 1 minute to hide!
I'm counting. I'm counting. Don't forget what a hand does.
Okay, Donald Trump, why are you hiding?
So I was looking at this unicorn, and if I hid right behind it, I think that'd be a perfect spot.
That's actually a good spot.
I thought he'd hiding on the ground or something.
Wait, if you go over here, you can see him.
No, you can't.
It's a hand.
No, you can't. I'm hiding, see?
Oh, no.
Okay, that's good. Baby 11, you go hide. Wait, I mean 12, silly me.
Yeah, everybody keeps getting their names mixed up. Okay. Oh, what I have to be quiet. He's right there. Okay. I hide. Right there. Okay, nobody would know. That's the worst spot ever. Okay, your turn to hide, Baby 14. Baby 14 is gonna hide. Yeah, I'm gonna hide. Okay, bye, Dad. I'm going to hide. Oh, it's getting light over here. Whee! Ow! Wait, see my spot? You see a hat? That's where I'm hiding. I'm hiding with a hat. Oh, yeah. Hiding. See, I'm so small because I'm a baby. Newborn. So nobody can find me.
Okay, Baby One, your turn.
I have a perfect spot to hide. Right over there. Not where Baby 14's hiding. Did you see him there? Hey, right over there. Did you? Oh, look at that. Have a baby for day. That's nice.
What are you doing?
Wait, where's Baby One? Here I am! Oh! Hey, you see that note? Enjoy your flight. I like that. Okay. Wait a minute. Do you recognize this? It's school. Wait, this is where me and Giant Emmy went to school. What's that? Oh, they probably... Wait. Oh, yeah, this is the place we went to school. How do I forget? But I have the best place to hide. Wait, is that my work? Is that my art? Oh, yeah, you should have watched the video. Oh, it's the best. But because Giant Emmy's in it, we'll see that spot over there. Yep, that's exactly where I am hiding. See it? Yep. Right underneath that stool. Ooh, look at that. We're going back to kindergarten soon. Yeah. I'm really want to see Miss Presley. Then, with this Toronto Maple Leafs thing right over me, now nobody can see me. Time to go, time to go.
Wait, guys! Did you all hide?
Yep, we're all hiding.
I'm ready! Ready or not, here I come. Really? Baby 12?
Oh, sorry guys. I thought this was gonna be a good spot. It worked for Purple Face.
Yeah. But there was something on Purple Face.
Oh yeah, she was hiding in the blanket. That's okay. At least we're on an airplane. I can watch lots of movies.
Yes, you can.
Yep, you said yes you can. Nope, nobody's here. Fluffy Ball. I watched the last video. Last time you did that, Donald Trump was there. I found you. Oh man, how'd you do that? I guess I'm just so good at this. It's so fluffy. Yeah, wait. See that hat? Let's go. Yo! There it is. Somebody has to be in here because Dad's face is on it. Wait a minute. This is tape. Guess we can't go in there. Oh, and it's locked. Huh. Oh! Ah! Don't get me! Ah! Oh, I have my tape. I found you! How'd you do that? That's crazy!
Well, I'm just a god seeker, you could say. How many people left? Just Baby 1 and Dad. The best.
Oh, hi, SpongeBob. Oh, it's crazy. Wait a minute. Is there somebody can read that sign?
Enjoy your flight. Hope you do too.
Ooh, look at that jacket. I'm gonna wear it after. Whoa. Wait, I saw this video. Baby 1 and Emmy went to school. Time to go. I know exactly where.
Baby 1 and Dad.
Oh, it's easy. Oh, always had noise. Okay, guys, Baby 1 loves school. And I just really want to sit down.
Baby 1!
I am not Baby 1. I'm not Baby 1.
Yes, you are.
Okay, you got me. Was I the first one? Nope. You were almost last. Yeah! I almost won! Wait, who's left? Dad is left. He's always the best seeker. I mean, hider. He's good at everything. He found Fluffy Ball in like 10 seconds.
You, Dad! Come out!
Okay.
I knew I heard somebody down there. Can't believe it. Wait, where's Fluffy Ball? Dad, could you go tell everybody to come over here?
Okay.
Everybody, please.
Oh my gosh. Mrs. Bresser. That was my favorite video that I watched. Wait, video? That wasn't a video. Yes, it was. I don't know what he's talking about. Whoa! Okay.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to like the bell.
Thanks for hitting us. Help hitting us 13 subscribers. Nice.
More subs.
Yeah. And tomorrow is Easter. Da, 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 da.
Easter.
Yep.
Oh yeah, bye!